Welcome to Cooking Ben. Hey everyone! Today, we're whipping up a classic Hong Kong-style dish, beef chow fun. You can find it on the menu of practically every Cantonese restaurant. If you haven't tried it yet, now's the perfect time to learn.
我哋今日咧係做一個乾炒牛河，我哋係有芽菜仔啦、葱啦、薑啦、洋葱，咁啊有人咧係放韭黃嘅，但係今日我買唔到韭黃啦，咁我哋就唔放啦，我哋就淨係放呢幾樣嘢 OK 噶。咁如果你想佢帶有些少香味啊嗰啲咧，你亦都可以加少少芫茜落去嘅，咁我哋依家先咧係切咗牛肉先。
Chef Ben chose for beef flank because it's tender, soft, and easy to marinate. Slice the beef into thin pieces.
薄啊，所以咧我哋將佢咧係片出嚟。
Here's the marinade.
砂糖半個湯羹。
1 2-spoon of sugar.
鹽係好少嘅啫。
1/8 spoon of salt.
雞粉亦都係半個湯羹。
1 2-spoon of chicken bouillon powder.
生抽1個湯羹。
1 spoon of soy sauce.
紹酒
1 spoon of Shaoxing wine.
1個湯羹。老抽咧係1/4個湯羹嚟㗎。
1/4 spoon of dark soy sauce.
鷹粟粉。
1/8 cornstarch. Add a bit of water.
咁我哋落咗落去之後咧，係加少少清水。我哋將佢攪勻咗佢之後咧，就同埋啲牛肉和勻佢啦。
If you're using beef rump, add 1 2 teaspoon of baking soda to the marinade. It'll make the beef more tender. Remember to rinse it with water after a few minutes.
你一定要佢冇晒水，你先好加油。如果唔係咧，你落咗油落之後咧，佢係索唔到嘅。好，你睇到咧，落油又係1個湯羹就夠啦。咁我哋將佢破開咗之後，我哋將佢切到薑咧，我哋亦都將佢切薄片，切好咗片啦。咁我哋咧就係將佢我嚟切絲啦。跟住洋葱。
Warm up the chow fun in the microwave for about a minute, then set it aside. Later, we are going to massage them loose.
乾炒牛河嘅時候咧，我哋係落半個湯匙嘅生抽，半個湯匙嘅老抽，雞粉係1/4個湯羹嘅雞粉，半個湯羹嘅砂糖。落清水咧嘅好處咧就係話等佢嗰啲豉油啲汁係比較鬆開咗。
Mix a spoon of water with the pre-mixed soy sauce to reduce stickiness. Be careful not to add too much water. Otherwise, the chow fun might clump together while cooking.
嗰啲油咧，你睇到依家已經係差唔多㗎啦。
If the oil isn't hot enough, water and flavor might seep out from the beef. Cook the beef until it's almost well done, then take it out, let it rest, and get ready for the second fry. 炒河粉之前咧，嗰隻鑊亦都係要夠熱啦。咁如果你係話驚佢係會黐嘅，咁你更加要洗乾淨啲隻鑊啦。乾咗啦，你睇到我依家係放薑啦，輕輕炒啲薑先，等啲薑咧係爆香咗啦。出咗味啦，你聞到有啲薑味出咗嚟啦，咁洋葱啦，放洋葱落去，你睇到啲洋葱係點樣為之叫得咧？有少少焦焦地，但係咧佢係未曾透明嘅喎，一透明咧就出水咯喎，河粉啦。
好，放咗開翻耐之後咧，我哋就收翻勻佢啦。
Once you catch that delightful aroma of chow fun, it's ready. Add the remaining side ingredients. Avoid overcooking the chow fun, as it may change color and develop a burnt
河粉
taste.
咧亦都會有一陣味嘅咯，會即係過咗火啦。跟住咧就係落埋啲葱草。咁如果你話我愛啲葱花嘅，咁亦都得啦，係嘛？即係葱絲，唔係話嗰啲切開一粒粒嗰啲葱花。放咗落去之後咧，亦都係炒佢啦。好，呢個係芽菜。放咗芽菜之後咧，好快脆就得噶咯喎。因為如果你炒得太過耐咧，嗰啲芽菜咧係會出水。
Once you begin cooking bean sprouts, the cooking is nearing the end. Do not cook so long as bean sprouts release a significant amount of water.
攤開佢之後，我哋就倒埋啲牛肉落去。咁頭先咧，我哋係教咗嗰啲汁噶嘛，啲豉油噶嘛，我哋係先放些少落先。
Now is the moment to blend the pre-mixed soy sauce evenly with the chow fun.
一次過落晒，之後咧，佢就會有啲有色，有啲係冇色噶。冇色嗰啲咪即係冇味咯。
Start by adding 1/3 of the sauce for the initial mix, then evenly blend in the remainder of the soy sauce.
好，陣間料勻咗佢之後咧，我哋將其餘嗰啲豉油倒埋落去啦。你睇到我係落好少油嘅，因為好多時咧啲人咧喺出邊食乾炒牛河咧，佢哋又驚住啲油太過多。你睇到 OK 啦嚇，咁我哋可以起鑊噶啦。嗱，咁我哋咧就上碟啦，炒咗就。
Thank you for tuning in to Cooking Ben. We'll be sharing new videos every week. Don't forget to subscribe and give our video a thumbs up.